In this video, I want to show you how to correct the problem of not getting any output from your precision tree model. I have here a student model. We won't pay attention to the details of it. They won't be terribly important. Who is having this problem? Well, let's go over here. In this cell, I'm clicking in G13, and up here you see risk output. This was an output that the student was saving. And when the time came, and by the way, on the branches are distributions, and then down here we have equal sign 1 minus this value, and that's repeated throughout the model. So when we go to at risk, let's just put 100 iterations in there, and we start a simulation. Notice what happens to the output. First it says there's no data to graph, and so you may get a message that says there was no data to graph, or you may get a result like this where every result is a 1, and you know that can't make sense. That just can't be true. So we're going to close this and get to the root of the problem. So we're going to go to the Precision Tree tab. We're over here in the Edit cluster and clicking on Settings, which is our only option. When this opens up, we go to Model Settings. So we have Model Settings here, and we're just going to go right to the At-Risk tab. And here's the problem in here, the way each iteration is calculated. This is the default, values of one sampled path through the model. Don't worry about what that means. What you want to worry about is you're not getting any output, so you want to click on expected values of the model. And now we close. And we go back to at risk, go back to start the simulation. And here we see values that are more in line with what we expected. So let me repeat that sequence of steps. We're going to go to Precision Tree, to Settings, Model Settings. We go to the At Risk. Make sure expected values of the model is selected. Decisions follow current optimal path. Say OK, and you should be ready to roll.